Say good only about you. Wagwan, my people. You're welcome back to the biggest show in the continent right now, MS Live, right here on MS24 TV. And I have my next guest on the show. These guys, I mean, they are doing incredibly well. They are pushing Ghanaian music on the map. And I have my brother A-Town TSB and my brother from Kumerica, Skyface. Charlie, Akwaba.
Yeah, Joe. So, back it. Yeah.
Okay. Charlie, don't give me trouble.
No trouble.
Okay, so let me start with my brother from Kumasi, Skyface. Skyface, Bibi Aboko,
Kumasi.
Bro. Nice. I know last year you dropped your debut album, which is Songs of Solomon. How has the reception been for you?
Yeah, the response has been amazing from day one. Fans, just like from the start and on, they almost here and the energy is still the same with the numbers and everything. Yeah,
true.
They keep pushing, they keep shooting up.
Yeah. Okay. How many artists now working with them on the song?
Okay, work with a couple of artists aside my brothers, the Asaka Boys. I had Ara DJ on it, Kweku Smoke, Kwesi Ameuga. Yeah.
Okay. So what's your favorite song on the album?
Okay, favorite song. I think I'll go for
Skyface.
Yeah, me baby.
Yeah. And on your man,
the one with RDJ. Yeah.
Okay. Nice one. So A-Town.
Yeah, what up?
TSB.
Yeah.
A-Town. The TSB, what does it stand for?
The South Boy.
The South Boy.
Yeah, because I'm from the southern part of Ghana.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Ghana.
Okay.
So.
I know you started as a rapper.
Yeah.
What made you switch into music producing?
It was all about curiosity and curiosity and the feel, like I love hip hop a lot when I was in school and all, so I had wanted to know how the beats were being made. Like when I hear beats, when I hear those times, when I hear I'm So Hood and $100 Million, those songs.
Yeah.
Charlie, these songs, Charlie, the way the kicks stay, I don't want to know how it's being made. So that actually pushed me into music production, aside rapping. And then along the road, I was like, no, make a quick the rapping. And then.
Or you also felt like the way you approach your music, or maybe how you want your beat to be made, you were not getting it?
Yes, that's also a factor, because anytime I went to the producers, they were always doing what they loved, and I ended up directing them too much. Charlie, you see, you do this, do that. Like, are you a producer? You understand? It's like you going to a restaurant and telling the chef, no, put meko here, put this here, put shito here, put this. Nah. So they were like, nah, you have to also try make it, because it looks like you know too much.
That means you were very technical.
Yes, I was. So I was like, nah, let me take this and then start working on it. That's how come I ended up producing. Yeah.
So my brother to Skyface, how did you come up with your name? Do you know Skyface SDW?
Yes, Skyface SDW.
And also, what does it stand for?
Someday winner.
Yeah. Okay.
More like a family thing in my wood crew room.
Okay.
To be a SDW or no.
Okay.
To be also far there, Mark now the SDW.
You are the asshole. Some if you any point, or some say me also. Mark Mountain SDW. Okay. Now then I only asaka for no. Mubenya asa bond no. So I don't and started working with them.
As a cowboy, we've been brothers from childhood. Let's say be strangers or something.
Okay.
I grew up with J Bad, crew from Krabrima, and Reggie to Tafu, crew from Tafu there. So, Tienini, I Kenneth Swame, DMC Bokroom, City Boy the Champ. So, Intina around Hona, Intina, strangers, OGs, I'm here almost from in Krabrim. And then boys are minimum here.
And I was like, Kumasi High.
Kumasi High School.
Hey, baddest. Charlie. But didn't the name I'll put on that ski marks?
Yeah, no, for identification, easy identification and brand. Brand and Kaza.
Today, Nemo, who say I think I'm repair was taking off.
Yeah, I'm repanding in January, but within our locality, and as a Nipa more Nantemase. Yeah, it's in our mancophobia, it take advantage of it. Yeah, Friday. The sorry to say, the villages,
Okay.
When it comes to shows and events, so event promoters, organizers so many maintain obi at mission mas no again.
Oh yeah, Sky.
Oh minimum no ni no afa ni nua bi de
Edi akoye.
Edi akoye.
Okwakọto nyom ne pepepe.
Oh okoto kura anka kuba onko se obeje cut initial payment like 50-70%. No I video ni bibia ma ba dey ni draw ma cause ni say bia dey ni draw na oba be problem e dey abe find out into on ma.
Eti Skyface anyom be na put you out ma Ghana for hu say akoye or yade abrantie or very serious.
It was MOB, yeah.
Okay.
MOB 2020 MOB. Yeah, we Reggie and can I be shouts to them. Yeah.
Okay. And they put you out there. MOB at Wonka.
Yeah.
Okay, so A-Town. I know last year you dropped an EP, which is Intensive Care.
Yeah.
What inspired the title?
The intensive care, at that time, I had wanted people to really pay attention to the kind of music that I was bringing. So that actually contributed to it being like intensive care.
Okay.
It's not like intensive care unit too. Yeah, Yeah, so that actually
okay. How many songs?
I think it was 4 songs. Yeah, I had Medical there. I had Lalit.
Okay.
Yeah, I had Chaser. I think I had Kofi Mole on one of the songs. Yeah. And then Busum Piyong.
Okay.
Busum Piyong and then Lyrical Joe, yeah.
Lyrical Joe.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice one. That's very dope. Intensive care. How's the reception been so far?
It's been good. The numbers has been almost 100,000 plays.
Wow.
On all social media platforms.
So which country stream your songs the most?
Ghana.
Yeah. So if you take Ghana out,
Ghana, and I think it's the US.
US.
Yeah, and then UK, and then I think Nigeria. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if someone reach out to you that wants to learn music producing, what advice you give the person?
It being they wanted to learn with me, or they wanted to pursue it as like their careers. If you want to pursue it as a career, I just tell you to work your way up. You understand? Because you don't just wake up and be like, I want to be a producer. It's constant hard work. You need to practice more, because these mainstream acts, they put you on the spot. You understand? So if you are not well made and you've not really worked hard, you don't know how to make your beats, and they put you on the spot, you wouldn't be able to make the beats. You understand? So I just tell them to work hard. I was underground for a long time.
Okay.
Before I came into the mainstream in 2019, late 2018, 2019, till now I've been here. Yeah. So that should tell you how consistent I am, how hardworking I have been, and all. So yeah.
Okay, that's very good. But Skyface, how long have you been doing music professionally?
Okay, professionally, I think 5 years now.
5 years. And what's your highlights?
It's been amazing so far. It's been amazing from the scratch. I think it's from a 0-10, and my bedroom that level. And I think my building some small fan base. Yeah, I really appreciate their love and support.
Okay.
And we're still working
working hard,
trying to reach greater heights and everything.
Yeah. But style Ben, I'll bet describe it. What style of music?
Okay, my style of music more like relatable stuff, the environment.
Okay.
Anything around me, then I preach about it.
Okay.
Meaning the positive way or the negative way. Yeah, I preach
put
about
it into your music.
Yeah, I put it into my music.
Okay.
It could be me, or it could be my friend, or a stranger or something. Yeah.
Okay. So A-Town.
Yeah,
right now you have one of the biggest songs in the country right now. Shoulder.
Yeah.
Bass Drop.
Yeah.
And Shatawale.
Yeah.
Can you run us through the creative process of making that song with Medical?
Shout outs to BYK Medical. Shout outs to Shatta Wandong. Shout outs to KU. That Shoulder. I think I was in the studio one time and I was making the beats, and then Medical came in. He was about to record his own song.
Okay.
When he came in, he heard the beat, and he was like, A-Town, this beat, who you own? I was like, nah, I'm just making it for you. So that it's like, then Charlie make a hop on them. So then he started.
So you had him in mind?
Yeah, I had him in mind. Though.
Okay.
Yeah, because I had wanted to create something that would move the crowd for him, but he didn't know it was for him.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah. So I was just making it, and then he came. I was like, who in beat it? They do one for you. So if it's like, Charlie, be hard, dude. Now we make a hop on them. So that was when he didn't even record what he was about to do.
Okay.
So he went straight to the shoulder beat. So after he did it, he was like, Charlie, who is here for top? I was like, I did hear Beef Strap and One Don. I was like, you sure? I was like, yeah, I did hear for. Okay, they make a hit. So that day, One Don sent
everything was a freestyle.
BYK doesn't write.
Wow.
Medical doesn't write his lyrics. Skyface doesn't write. That's what I said. That if you are a creative person, you need to work your way up. You know, they've been doing it for a while.
Wow.
So when you have been doing something for a while, you don't have difficulty in like doing it. You know, I've spent years doing production. So right now I can sit within 15 minutes I create a beat.
Do it.
Yeah.
It comes to you easily.
It just comes to you.
Okay.
Easily. Yeah, by God's grace. If I sit down, I know, Charlie, within 30 minutes, Andrew.
Max.
30,
30 minutes. Now I'll pop you.
you know.
But do you visit the production?
Yeah,
Listen to it again.
yeah, I do. You know, sometimes you go and come, you hear something different.
Okay.
You go and come, you hear something different. You add it. You add up. So you keep adding. So that's how come we made sure that after he was like, yo, Charlie, make I just send this track to Wandon. That evening, we got the verse from Wandon. That evening. The next day, Beef Strap brought his verse. And the rest is history.
Yeah. But I want to put you at the spot.
Yeah.
Right now, since the song it be very big,
Yeah.
lots of people they jump to it. Do you feel like next year TGMA it should be nominated for Popular Song of the Year?
Yeah.
And also winning Producer of the Year?
Charlie, most popular song of the year. If they no give we, yawa, I swear.
Okay, what about Producer of the Year?
Yeah, because I heard right now, most popular song of the year automatically wins producer of
So
the year.
the
So they don't nominate
Okay.
producers now, which
Now.
I think be some
It's a
way.
problem, like
Be some
they
way.
should-
Yeah,
okay.
they should actually honor producers because sometimes I've had years where I have produced lots of hip hop songs, and then you see the category and then you realize it can get like 6 songs there. Hip hop back to back to back. I have this song with Strongman. I have this song with Lyrical Joe. I have this song with Medical, all nominated, and then I don't get an award. And then the song also wins maybe rap song of the year. That is Strongman. He won the best rap of the year. That was last 2 years, and I didn't win producer of the year.
So you feel like producers are not appreciated?
Yes, enough, especially hip hop producers.
Yes.
When you look at the stats, they've been giving the producer of the year to Afro producers.
Yeah.
Mostly, because they think Charlie hip hop is. But we do the thing for real. Because Afro producers, when you look at the thing, Afro producers can't really produce hip hop.
So you feel
much.
like Afrobeat there is easily.
Me, I'm going to sit down and do Afro right now.
Wow.
Yeah.
That means you can even teach.
That
me.
is why I have one of the big songs, and it's an Afro song.
Yeah.
Azonto.
Azonto.
Shoulder, you understand? Because it's something I can do. You know, through Christ who strengthens me. I can do it.
You can close your eyes and just
bro,
do something.
we go feed one. But hip hop is where like I'm based. That is what I came in with. Do you understand? That is how come. So therefore watch we. Yeah.
So right now, which artists do you love to work with? Skyface.
And then BYK Medical.
BYK Medical.
Charlie, them all them be family.
Okay.
J Bad, Skyface, BYK Medical is like the in-house guy. You understand? I work with more times. Lyrical Joe, Strongman, they are all family.
Yeah. Okay. So let's talk about your new tape, Cancer.
Yeah.
Is it an astrological sign?
Yeah, Zodiac.
They share some birthday or something.
Yeah. Ghana, if you don't know, Skyface and I, we celebrate our birthday on the same day. Yeah, 19th July.
July
July 19th.
Yeah.
Same day, same time.
Same time, same
Same
day.
second.
Hey,
bro.
Same everything.
Hey, Charlie, this
Just
one don't make me think
different
other
years.
way around. though.
Yeah,
Just different years.
just different years. Yeah, it's just the
Okay.
same day, yeah.
That's very dope. So, how did it come about? The project.
Yeah, because we celebrate our birthdays on the same day and all, we're like, Charlie, we've been working, so we're like, no, Charlie, make we put a body of work out, just 3 songs. Yeah, so they go feel say, yeah, we actually bring out something that would sort of like move our fans. You understand? They'll have a perception, they have an idea that these guys, they share something in common. Yeah.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah.
But what made you decide to only work with Skyface on this project? Maybe you could have reached out to other artists too.
Yeah, we have the first song is featuring J Bad.
I'm not talking about the featuring.
The featuring.
Maybe would have been joined like
Yeah.
as you did with your brother.
Oh yeah, it's a joint project.
Yeah.
It's a joint project, so I don't have to do with anybody than him.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you said all of them, they are in-house people.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
maybe it would have been maybe a mixtape, 15 songs.
Oh
with the
yeah, that
whole
one
team.
today. That one.
That one we dey work on am still.
Yeah.
Ah.
So maybe
This
next
one
year.
is because we dey share the
Same
same.
birthday,
yeah.
so we wanted to tease the fans with
You
something
understand?
small,
Something
something
interesting.
token.
And that's the
You
genesis of
understand?
it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So let's talk about the relationship with Kofi Mole on the song. What's the title of the song?
Okukuseku. Yeah.
Kukuseku. Okay,
Yeah.
why that title, Kukuseku?
Over to you.
Skyface. I didn't know Kukus. I don't be Biana.
Oh nah.
Nipa hu
Obi
you.
anye bibi aba. Nze wiase ne ya wone de nipa angaza ho.
And one moment.
Yeah.
Nipa some way. Obi anye obi bibi ba. Na me ka say it could be my story, it could be a
Anyone's
story
story,
or
yeah.
something. So until you know I buy me putting myself in other people's shoes and I'm yedi make it that
And you know.
Okukuseku ne.
Okay. To T beats na 8 town beats na now.
On the beat, the charge out of boy, you be some keyboard
board,
pen.
Yeah. Now
Nah,
what?
nah,
It
so
was all mood in the man.
yeah. The first word about him, your Kukuseku.
Okukuseku,
Nipa hu.
yeah.
Okay. And see, how did you guys link up with Kofi Mole on this song? What made him fit for that song?
Oh, because it's a drill song. I actually suggested we
Okay.
put Kofi Mole on it because I could hear him on the beat.
Okay.
You understand? And Kofi Mole is a family, He stays just, around. So I just hit him up. I was like, Mole, Charlie, before, because I've been working back to back with Kofi Mole this year.
Okay.
Yeah, we've been going back to back. I was like, Charlie, some song video. I don't want to put. Charlie, it down. I did. So I didn't even send him the song. He came to the studio, heard it now.
Okay.
Yeah, then we
So
got
3 songs, Okukuseku, and what else?
Too Bad featuring
Too
J
Bad.
Bad.
J Bad.
Yeah.
Okay, J Bad. Too bad.
Yeah,
Why?
Too Bad.
Tell me the ideology behind that song. Too bad.
Too Bad.
More like
Skyface.
more like a
Just
party
I want to
song.
be a title on it. I want to order back.
Oh, nah, yeah, you
Nah, I'm share. It's too bad, and also running me through.
Too bad. Party song, outside lifestyle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boys know it too bad.
Yeah.
Girls know so it too bad. You know she it was suma. You know we too bad. Too bad. Don't follow rhyming and if flow now there be nipa ba kupen o say
Outside vibes.
Outside vibe.
also woman kaza on.
Maybe I saw the body.
Too bad. There's no other person. Demon na kaza na.
Demon and I'm feeling so on that was there.
See, come back that same day was a demon.
Yeah.
Also. So Ethan, how long did it take you to put all the songs together?
Like barely like 4 days.
4 days.
Yeah. And
Everything, 4 days.
everything.
All those 3 songs. 4
All the
days.
things. Because sometimes when we get to the studio, we record like 2 songs a day. We can record like 2 songs a day.
That means there were a lot of songs.
Yeah, we have.
But it
We
was
have.
only 3 that
Yeah, we
made the
select.
cut.
Yeah.
Okay. That means we should expect more from you
Oh
guys.
yeah, more.
Okay.
more songs.
That's very dope. So, how has the reception been so far?
It's been good. The streams have been up. We almost have like we have 50,000 plays. It's just been a week.
Okay.
Yeah, we have like 50,000 plays plus.
Okay.
Yeah, already.
So, Ethan, what's your favorite song on the tape?
I mean, I don't have a favorite too. Everything.
Ethan.
But you know,
Ethan.
I could see people really like people are starting to like the Okukuseku too. But Too Bad is
Party
is-
anthem.
yeah,
Yeah,
party
party
anthem. That has
anthem,
been because we dropped that one off the EP
Okay.
before the whole body of work came.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why did you guys decide to take that lane? Because as you said, Okukuseku is very relatable. People could relate to the story. And Too Bad is a party anthem. Like on the dance floor, you can jam to it and everything. Why did you guys decide to take that lane? Like you follow the lane of a song which is very relatable, that people can relate with the message, and with the party anthem to like just let it go.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and one work yeah, and one yeah, because you know when you relate with because Too Bad is like a party vibe.
party,
Charlie, a club we, after that Charlie, with the party.
Yeah.
Okukuseku too talks to you, it's
Obefia,
about
obetumi jam it,
you
but at the same
understand?
time, the message.
Yeah, and then we have Keep Shining too.
Shining.
Keep
That's
Shining.
the last song. That song is only Skyface on it.
Skyface.
Yeah.
And then keep shining. Person on
Keep
mommy.
shining.
Freestyle or something. No.
Okay. It's a lonely long road, a quite no what, so ye bedu to 2 million my ye, a time for whom ye will be so. I face so many battles now, so I can't lose. She shen your my baby or mechiso and bemu. Sometimes I feel like everything goes my way. Even the drugs can heal my pain. Can't trust no soul, so I stay in my lane. They keep blocking roads, but I still find a way. I fall, but I keep rising. Every ball, so I keep shining. It's a motivational song.
Song, just a party anthem back home. But those two songs in there, it's very relatable, songs that people can relate to.
And also video neighbor.
Video neighbor. So how many videos do you guys have out?
Three.
All of them, the videos out.
All the tracks.
No, I think
we got 2 out.
2 out. Keep Shining will come within this week.
So who directed Okukuseku, the video?
ADR.
Okay. What are some of the challenges you guys face shooting the video?
Oh, the location.
The location.
Yeah, the location was a big challenge, but it was
cool.
Yeah, it was cool.
It was cool. But what was your fondest moment in shooting the video?
When I think we went to is it Soto?
Yes,
when we're shooting in Soto. For Keep Shining.
Keep Shining.
Yeah, I think that moment was.
But the video will be coming out pretty soon.
Pretty soon.
Okay, who directed that video too?
ADR.
Same person.
Yeah,
was it shot same day? Like all the
no,
different days.
Different days.
Yeah. So like how long did it take for the whole everything?
Probably like a week.
It was a continuous thing.
Yeah, it was a continuous like a week or two.
A week or two.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very fine. So what's next for A-Town?
Right now, we are working on dropping like singles. I'll be dropping because I've been dropping singles as a producer as well. Skyface too. He's also working on his body of work.
Okay.
But BYK will be dropping his album Medical.
That's the Distribution 2.
Yeah, Distribution 2. Which
so how many songs are you producing on?
Almost like 99.999
songs. Then bangers.
Yeah,
Shoulders level
almost.
now.
Yeah, almost. But this album will be more of like a rap album.
Okay.
Yeah, because he has an Afro hit song out already. So people would like to really listen to his rap songs.
Yeah,
now.
He's taking us back
to the one.
Okay.
Yeah, so we are going to have a feel of the two, and it's more of like rap songs.
And when is that coming out?
That one they are not going to fit there, but it would be within next month. Okay. Yeah, next month.
That means it's going to be crazy.
Crazy.
Lots of features.
Lots of.
Can you give us a clue?
Oh, the features down there. But Saturday is there.
Saturday inside.
Yeah,
okay,
Saturday
that means Shoulder will be part of it.
Yeah, Shoulder will be part of it.
Okay. But sonically, how is it going to sound?
I can't painting a picture. It would sound more like a rap album, like a solid rap album.
Is it hardcore?
Not like hardcore, but like telling a story of where he's been from, like where he's going to now and all. Like, yeah. All
right. Okay, Skyface, Mimia. They said you are working on a new body of work.
Yeah.
And so that any sharing.
Oh, probably it could be anytime.
Anytime.
Yeah, anytime.
Okay.
Yeah, I got many time we are working on a drill tape and a trap tape too. Yeah, recording.
What the baby Okay.
Just for fine time.
To release them.
Yeah.
So we're saying a time and then our chance of bed and drop it. Okay, cool. A-Town, last question.
Yeah.
You have worked with a lot of artists
in
Ghana and outside Ghana.
Yeah.
Can you tell us the work ethics working with outside artists different from Ghanaian artists?
Working with the outside, like the foreign acts, some, most of them, because they are exposed to the system, because they have a system that works for them in terms of the royalty system and all. When you start working with them, they know what to tell you. Like, oh, bro, I'll give you this paperwork for this, for that.
Okay.
You understand? So I feel working with them, it exposes you to the music business more. Do you understand? And then working with the Ghanaian acts is more like an experience. You get the experience more so that you can work with the foreign acts.
Okay.
Yeah.
But do you think there's going to be a point that you're going to sell your catalog?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It will get to that point where I'll be like, oh, Charlie, this one, because I have lots of productions. You understand? And if I want to sell my publishing, I go get blocked, bro.
Okay, no problem.
I go figure.
So, A-Town, Skyface, last words to your fans.
Cancer EP's out. That's the whole thing. I'll say Cancer EP's out. Go and check it out. Skyface, A Town TSB. It's out on all platforms. Go and check it out.
Okay, Skyface also
Yeah.
last West to fans.
Yeah, as my bro said, Cancer EPs out there, all the guitar streaming platforms. Run it up, run it up. And big shouts to everybody supporting the fans too. Yeah, big shouts to all the Asa Cowboys. Big shouts to MDK. We see Amewuga,
BYK.
Smoke. We see Chrome. Charlie Ubia.
Yeah.
America, Ubia, Kumasi. Okay, nice. Nice having you guys.
Thank
in
you,
the
thank you
studio.
so much.
Really enjoy your conversation. Guys, unfortunately, we have to wrap up. The Cancer EP is out. You can check it out on all streaming platform by my brothers, A Town TSB and Skyface. Guys, catch you on the other side. Love conquers all. Peace. I'm out.
Sometimes I can't even breathe.